सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता श्रीमती तीस्ता शीतलवाड़ जी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वो आए।
आदाब, सलाम, जोहार, जय भीम, नमस्कार, लाल सलाम। आखिर में बोलने का यही एक चुनौती है कि बोलने का रह क्या गया, फिर भी कोशिश रहेगी। आज की ये शोक सभा तो हम कह नहीं सकते सीताराम जी के लिए, सीता के लिए। ये जो आज का एक मेमोरियल है, जो भी हम कहें, मीटिंग है, बस हम हमारे एक संघर्ष और प्रतिरोध के साथी को याद करते हैं, जिन्होंने अपने प्यारे पक्ष कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया मार्क्सिस्ट को भी बाकी उनके पूरे मास ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और बाकी जन आंदोलन को भी एक लोकतांत्रिक ढांचा और एक सामूहिक ढांचा देने का काम किया। हमारे जैसे पत्रकारों को, संपादकों को पार्टी ऑर्गन पीपल्स डेमोक्रेसी में लिखने का मौका दिया और हमारी व्यक्तिगत और सांगठनिक जो लड़ाई है सांप्रदायिक ताकतों के विरुद्ध, जातिवाद ताकतों के विरुद्ध, फांसीवाद ताकतों के विरुद्ध, वो संघर्ष को शुरुआत से 92-93 से समझा और इस तरह समझा कि हमें बस पता ही था कि सीता हमारा ख्याल रख रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं। कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया मार्क्सिस्ट हमारा ख्याल देख रही है कि कभी, और बहुत सारी चुनौतियां आई उस वक्त, सीताराम भी, सीता भी और पार्टी भी हमारे साथ खड़ी रही। तो इसका हम पूरा निचोड़ कैसे कर सकते हैं? मुझे बस एक चीज यहां जरूर कहनी है, क्योंकि कई चीजें गए 10-11 सालों में कहना लोग बंद कर दिए हैं, कि 2002 में सबसे पहले मार्च 1, 2002 एक शुक्रवार जुम्मा का दिन था कि सीता बाकी 2-4-5 सांसदों के साथ पहले वो सांसद थे जिन्होंने गुजरात की उबलती हुई जमीन पे कदम रखा, वहां की हुकूमत के साथ टकराव किया और वहां के पूर्व पुलिस कमिश्नर पीसी पांडे के भी साथ मध्य रात्रि उनके साथ पूरे डेलीगेशन का एक टकराव। Sitaram Yechuri, the iconoclast, who understood the history of this land and the deep-rooted contribution of every caste, every region and every community to not just the evolution of society and country, but the freedom struggle itself. His 2 speeches in Parliament over 12 years stand up for me even today. One is a later one in 2017, July 19th, I think, which we reported in full on our web portal, which is that Gaur Rakshaks should be banned by order, state and central. And it was a reasoned speech as to why this vigilantism that is taking lives, that is marginalizing our minority Muslim community should be banned. And the other one was paying tribute to the marshals in Parliament who look after the dignity and security of the parliamentarians and appealing to Parliament not to put them on contract. Both these, according to me, epitomize what Sita stood for. And I remember this interview he gave us where he described as only Sita could what was happening with the weaponization of laws in Parliament over the last decade and a half. When he said succinctly that Parliament was being used to destroy the Constitution brick by brick. Brick by brick. On this very, very painful, somber occasion to the entire family of the CPIM, Taluka district level upwards, whose karyakartas, full-timers just looked on him as a friend and a neta. And his wondrous family, Seema, Akhila, Danish, Shankarji, and also to Indrani ji, respects, warm affection and condolences. I just want to say 2 more things. A speech of his in Coimbatore where the stalwart Karunanidhi ji wanted him to be present was mentioned. But the details of that speech were not, and I'd like to add that here. 2010, when he spoke on the World Classical Tamil Language Conference. And It's there in the CPIM archive. I discovered it. We republished it. It's Language as Unifying Force, where he speaks of his committed belief to Indian federalism, to all Indian languages, and to the importance of the southern eastern languages as much as Hindi. And I think we need to understand this commitment of federalism that Sitaram had, Sitaram Yechuri had, the CPIM has, Southern India has, the regional parties have. Because without a commitment to federalism, you can't really have Indian democracy. So to the India bloc, most of whom are not here except Jharkhand Mukti Morcha and of course the CPIM. As a simple social activist, human rights activist, journalist, I would just like to say that the values and the India that Sita stood for, Sitaram Yechuri stood for, need to be honored by the India Alliance, which is a deep-rooted respect for federalism, regional parties, but that the crass, proto-fascist, supremacist majoritarianism needs to be completely stopped, blocked and rooted out of power. And the transfer of public resources to private capital has to be also stopped. Pro-people policies need to be adopted, and most importantly, or as importantly, weaponized laws that have been passed, not just in the last 10 years, but forgive me, the UAPA was passed in 2004 and only the left opposed it at that time in Parliament, need to be repealed. I'm very, very humbled at this opportunity. Thank you very, very much.